Hello everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because this just showed up and I have been so stoked ever since I learned it was a Farmhouse one. So this is the inspiration box for March for Brutus Monroe. If it is still available, I will have it linked down below along with everything that's in here. And I'm going to be honest with you, I have not looked at any unboxing because I wanted to be surprised. So I know that sounds so silly, but I'm just, yeah. Anyway, so this is the March 2020 box. I love the scene. So yes, I'm very excited. I am a Midwest girl. I am from Nebraska originally. And we didn't live on a farm, but we were from a small town and a lot of my friends were farmers. So I couldn't wait to get this one. All right, so let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh my gosh, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Okay, so let's set this off to the side and we'll pull out little piece by piece. Look at the darling flare. Oh my goodness. I love collecting these. They're so cute. And it's a little piggy in some mud. I love it. And these are like such high quality pins. I love them. All right, set that off to the side. Oh, sweet. Okay, I don't know anything about that. Let's just jump into it. We have this whole embellishment thing. Oh, goodness. All right, this, look at this. This is a stain pen. Gently turn to prime your pen. All right, well, we're obviously going to be playing with this. Oh, yeah. That's going to be fun. So let's just pull out a piece of paper, turn it, we'll stain our paper. I don't want to go too crazy because it looks like it's already starting to try to come out. So it looks like you had to prime it pretty good. Okay, I start to see it coming. Oh, look at that. So yes, this will be fun because I see, oh yeah. Okay, that's really cool. A stain pen. That's amazing. I like that. Yep. Okay, we'll definitely do more with that. Let's dig into the rest of it. But I love that. That's clearly going to go with our little farm theme. Then we have some of the walnut wood. Maybe it's not the walnut one, but they have a couple of wood type sequins, and I don't know if you can see this. Oh, it looks like it's an array of them. Yay! So there's more than one kind in here, so let's see if we can get a couple of them out. And they look like, they legit look like a wood grain. I don't know if you can see that in there, but check it out. They do. They look like wood grain. That's cool. And you get a bunch of them in here. You're going to have these for a while. Unless you're like me and you create cards like a crazy person. Which, there's nothing wrong with that. Just so we're all on the same page. Okay. The static electricity is strong in here. Okay, so there are those. Oh, check this out. This will be fun for some of your mixed media projects. Check it out! Look at that. It's this cute little like picket fence. That would be great with your little wood stain. Check it out. That's fun. You could definitely put this on a card too though. It's going to add a little bulk and you just have to make sure that you pad your paper right, but you're good there, or you pad your envelope. Then we have some burlap. Check it out. Oh, I love burlap. That's fun. So I feel like this box could already be good for definitely cards, but even some mixed media. So that's fun. And ooh, this fabric paper. It looks like a 6x6 fabric. And I'll bet you can stain that, and I'll bet you can do all kinds of fun things with that. But isn't that cool? It's kind of like in a, almost like a plaid pattern. Well, it is a plaid pattern. But that's neat. So we have that, lots of good fibers, and look at this. Oh my goodness. Legit chicken wire. Look at that. And of course the warning, because you could stab yourself. It's a little sharp, but that is so fun. Check it out. Let me just get a piece of paper here. So you can take a look at the, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Now I want to do a mixed media piece with that. I'm telling you, you could do this on a card. You absolutely could. But isn't that fun? I love that. Chicken wire. Who knew? All right. And then, of course, our paper pack. I don't usually jump into it so quickly, but let's do it. You have one piece of the glitter stock. And I love their glitter stock. Doesn't come off on your hands. It's great, high quality. Then we have lots of great paper, it looks like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pieces of paper. This stuff is great for backing. Love it. All right. I already have a bunch of ideas just going through my head with, you know, all the fun products already in my hands. Okay, ooh, look at this. We have a new little stencil. This one's called the Fence Builder Stencil. Oh, I like that. Check it out. Oh, that's cool. So I'm sure I'll show you. But what you'll do is like, get that paper again. Paper. So what you'll do is you'll have your paper, and so you can easily line them up nicely because this will sit right over the top. So do it this way, like, let's just grab an ink that's close by. It does not matter. And we'll use a little brush because this is what we have handy. All right, so we'll do this. And then you can pick it up and then line that right up with this part of the fence. So then you'll have them perfectly spaced. So that's cool. I like that. That's smart. At first I was like, what is the point of that? But now I get it. So now you have it perfectly spaced. Now, of course, you're going to want to mask things off. But isn't that cool? A perfectly spaced fence. Love it. And you have several different, or 3 different kinds of posts. You got the little picket fence. You have the one that's like your entrance to something. And then you've got these nice ones. You could even probably use this to like go across your fence as well. The possibilities. Oh, the foilables. You know I love the foilables. And I like the foilables because there's just a lot of possibilities. You wouldn't have to foil them, but look at that. We've got little tractors. Those would be cool in green, of course. Oh, and then we have some farm animals. That's a cute little fun pattern. And you get 2 of each. And then we have the barn. Oh, and then we have this one. This one would be fun to color. And foil if you wanted. Or sponge, or whatever you want to do. But that is the cool thing, because here you have 8 card fronts right in front of you. Oh my goodness. And then I'd like breeze through this kit now already because I'm so excited for the stamp set. Oh my goodness. Look at the stamp set. So you have this giant barn. Love it. Then you have a fence as well. And look, you have 2 baby piggies and a big piggy. And then you have like 3 little chicks and a mama hen. Or it could be a rooster, I suppose. And then you have a sheep. You have like the whole group there. And then look at this cool truck. That is so cool. So our sentiments are best of luck, missing you pig time, happy Mother's Day from the whole herd, just chicken in, and hello chickadee. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to get started on this kit. This is so cool. So there is so much in here. You've got your stain pen, you've got your sequins, you've got your foilables, you've got your stencil, you've got your flare, you've got some burlap, you've got some other fun things like chicken wire and a little picket fence. We have a fabric sheet, and then we have glitter stock and 10 pieces of cardstock. This is so awesome. So if you like this kit though, or this stamp set at all, because of the price of the kits and how much the stamp sets typically are, these retail for like $23.99. I would, if that kit is available, just go ahead and get the kit because it's just a few dollars more and you're getting all these goodies in here. And the fun thing about it is, you know, you can give these things a try sometimes. The kits come with little portions of them, so you can give these things a try, and if you like them, then you can go and get more. But if you go to buy all these separately, it's going to cost you a lot more. So absolutely, if you like this set, which who doesn't? Oh my gosh. Then I would go get the kit. All right, I'll have everything linked down below. So go ahead and hit the little down arrow and you'll be able to open up the description box, and then you can take a look at all the links that I'll have linked down below for all the stuff. So, all right, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I will probably have a video up within a few days. And I will see you very soon. Bye, everybody.